Use hypnotherapy to stop smoking today. Smoking is something you learn to do. Like everything else you learn to do, you assigned it to your subconscious mind, so you now do it automatically without thinking about it. Just like when you first learned how to drive, there was so much for you to have to remember. You thought you would never be able to master it, but now you drive without even thinking about it. Your body got used to a certain level of nicotine in the bloodstream, and when the level decreased significantly, usually within an hour of smoking your last cigarette, the subconscious or inner mind activates the smoking program and you replenish the nicotine level in your blood. You have trained yourself to maintain this level of nicotine in your bloodstream, and in order to stop smoking you need to replace the old smoking routine with a healthier alternative. A free introductory consultation is given to anyone expressing a sincere desire to stop smoking. This allows you to meet your therapist and find out exactly what is involved and allay any fears or misconceptions you might have. Private message or contact the clinic through our website to book a free consultation. www.satontahypnotherapy.com